How to send Bitcoin on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can send Bitcoin on Cash App. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you're aware, you know that the Cash App has the potential and the ability to send and receive Bitcoins. But the only downside of this type of feature is that you have to verify your account. Now, of course, this is done only for security purposes and for security reasons. So if you want to send Bitcoin on Cash App, all you have to do is just go ahead and then first of all start by launching the Cash App on your device. And then in order to send Bitcoin, you need to have Bitcoin. In order to have Bitcoin, you need to buy Bitcoin. And in order to be able to buy Bitcoin, you need to have verified your identity, and that's simply it. So basically, once you open Cash App, just enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin that you want to send. So let's say I want to send $100 worth of equivalent Bitcoin that I want to send to someone. After I enter the dollar amount, here you can see USD. You want to tap on this USD icon and then now change it to Bitcoin. So basically, if you don't have Bitcoin, it will prompt you to buy Bitcoin. To buy Bitcoin, you need to verify your identity. So you can choose the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, tap on next, go ahead and complete your verification processes, right? Once you verify your Cash App account, you can come back, and whenever you're sending a Bitcoin, you can basically enter the wallet address of the external wallet that you're trying to send to, or you can send it to another Cash App user. And that is it on how you can send Bitcoin on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.